you're playing alone, or tap here if you're playing with a friend. One player! Choose a character. Haha, me. Build your boat. You can pick different sails here, bases here, and accessories here. Sails use the wind to speed up your boat. Whoa! That one looks like a winner. Ooh! Choose your race course. Breezy stream. Here's how to play. Okay, let the race begin. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Watch out for obstacles. Sail into the tailwinds for altitude. Nothing can stop us now. Ha-ha! A tailwind boost. Yes! Yes! Woohoo! Thank you! Thank you! Choose a character! Squeaks! Build your boat! You can pick different sails here, bases here, and accessories here! Amazing choice! Whoa! That one looks like a winner! Choose your race course! Rapid River! Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Character. Daisy! Build your boat! You can pick different sails here, bases here, and accessories here! Ooh! Whoa! That one looks like a winner! Ooh! That is one strong boat! Choose your race course. Shipwreck Sea. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Ooh, ouch! Man, oh man!
water. Hal! Build your boat. You can pick different sails here, bases here, and accessories here. Whoa! That one looks like a winner. Ooh, that is one strong boat. Choose your race course. Grand Prix. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh no!
Yeah!
Mwah! I love your trophy!